Now the modified simple stitch, it's a modification. It's a simple stitch, but it's just a small modification. Let me get this yarn out of the way. So you insert your hook like a simple stitch, and then you also insert it into this top loop of the horizontal bar of that chain on the top and pull a loop through. The cool thing about this stitch is that it creates a thinner fabric and makes it less curly. So you insert your hook here and insert your hook here and pull a loop through. It could almost be a Tunisian modified knit stitch because you're going through all the way through to the back, right? But it was called Modified Simple Stitch. I named it Modified Simple Stitch, and when I named it that, the internet agreed and took it and ran with it. I have regretted naming it Modified Simple Stitch this entire time, because what if we wanted to do a different Modified Simple Stitch? But no, I have been informed that it is stuck and the internet has chosen. So that is the Modified Simple Stitch, and you close it the same way. But that is the story behind it. Now, I did not invent this stitch. Someone brought it up on Ravelry about 18, 19, 20 years ago. And I liked it. I especially like it to bind off. If you ever want to bind off with it, it makes a better bind off because the bind off doesn't curl as much. So if you're doing a simple stitch bind off with a slip stitch and you discover that you want a little bit more sturdiness, try the Modified Simple Stitch for your bind off instead. And it really, it makes a difference. So try that instead.